How to sign up for Shopify. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Shopify app. Here we go. At the very bottom, you can find this option of Get Started and Login. Tap on the option Get Started. For now, you can just tap on this option of Skip All. Where is your business located? Tap on this icon and from here you can select your country. After you select it, you can tap on this option of Next. Shopify wants to use Shopify.com to sign in. Tap on Continue. Here are different options given. Continue with email, Apple, Facebook, or Google. You can select this very first option, Continue with email. Now over here, type in your email address and password. After you type in email address and password, tap on this option of Create Shopify ID. It's in the process, wait for a few seconds. With that, your ID has been created. You have easily signed up for your Shopify account. Now from here, you can add your first product. Likewise, you can give name to your store, custom your online store, add a custom domain, configure your sales channels, store your products, remove your store password, and with that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily sign up for your Shopify account. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.